Hello everyone, my name is Aine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I share useful cake tutorials, cake tips, food recipes, and basically every kitchen tip I have around the industry. So if you love to bake, cook, or you just love to watch content related to these, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a video. I post a new video every week, and on some weeks I post more than one video. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how I make my whipped white chocolate ganache. Guys, white chocolate ganache is a very stable kind of frosting that I usually use in my fondant cakes. Of course, this can be used as is. Okay, you can cover a cake in chocolate ganache from start to finish without having to use fondant. But if you are working in a humid environment and you like to make fondant cakes, or you want to make fondant cakes, then I would advise that you use chocolate ganache because it is the most stable, the most firm, and it gives you a very amazing crisp base to work with for your fondant cakes. So let's get started. For this recipe, we would need white chocolate, compound chocolate, unsalted butter, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. So simply grab a clean stainless steel bowl and pour all of your white chocolate into it. We're going to be melting this over a bain-marie. So if you don't know how to melt white chocolate properly, go ahead to my channel. I have a YouTube video that I've shown you how to melt white chocolate properly using the bain-marie method. So guys, once your white chocolate has completely melted, or at least most of the chocolate has melted, you want to pour in your compound chocolate and continue to stir until it is just about melted as well. You can speed up the process by just using a blender. This is a hand blender to blend it while it's on the bain-marie. This will just basically reduce your work by 50%. It makes it faster. It just makes it melt even faster and gives it a very smooth result. So this is what it looks like after I have completely melted both chocolate. So I'm going to set this aside. And the next thing is you want to grab your mixer bowl and pour your butter into your mixer bowl. All your butter, okay, unsalted butter. Please use softened unsalted butter. It could be cold, but just make sure it's soft enough so that your mixer doesn't struggle, with mixing it. So once you've poured this into your mixer bowl, you want to whip this on medium-high speed for a start, and then gradually increase the speed and mix it until it is fluffy. While that is mixing, our melted chocolate would have cooled off, so we're going to pour it right into the butter mixture and continue mixing until everything has been added. After this, you want to pour in your lemon juice and your vanilla flavor and continue whipping this until everything has been properly combined, and then your chocolate ganache is ready to use. You can pop this in the fridge for a while and then whip it up again before you use it, just to make it a little more stable. But I like to use mine right away because I just love how lush and beautiful the texture is. So guys, if you would like to watch how I use this to cover my cakes, I have a video and I'll be posting that video very soon. So do not forget to check my channel for the video. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are happy to have you here. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead, click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you'll be one of the first people to be notified whenever I post a video. I post a new video every single week and even more on some weeks. So until my next video, guys, bye.